I can't think nothing better than spending my day with you. My life's sunny and better, girl, when I'm with you. She illuminates so bright like a star in the skylines. She got the looks, the good, oh boy, I need her so bad in my life. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress.
Hello, good morning mga ka-jobs. Welcome back to my channel. Napakalamig. Napakalamig na ano ngayon, araw. At saka makulimlim ng panahon. Sana wag lang umulan. Para makapag gawa tayo ng mahaba-haba. Kasi konti pa yung natin na gagawa doon sa ating garden gazebo project. Pero papakita ko sa inyo yung progress mamaya pagdating natin doon sa job site. Okay? Mga ka-jobs, dito na tayo sa job site. Ito na pala yung natin, yung progress ng nakagawa na tayo ng ilang rafters. So tayo ng cruising na naman tayo para mabuo na siya. Nagpaplano pa kasi yung client kung ano yung klaseng bubong ang nila, kung yero ba or slate. Yun ang pinagpaplanuhan pa nila, kaya hindi pa natin alam kung ano yung susunod nating kung sakaling matapos natin to, magpupurma naman tayo dito sa kasi babalutan ng simento yung poste, mga apat na poste babalutan. Ayan, umulan na. At saglit, papasok muna tayo. Okay.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me fucked up, let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll bleed on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you go wish you would shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. I'll fucking take smoke, I'ma poke a hole through you, choking's overdue. Come at me and you won't get any older, dude. Crack your holder too. Heating up inside of me, blood so violent.
Hi mga ka-jobs, ito inaabot tayo ng gabi kasi madaling dumilim dahil na dito yung tinatawag nilang equinox time, madaling dumilim at saka kahit sa umaga alas 7 ng umaga na pero madilim pa rin, kaya yun ang nila, mahaba ang gabi ngayon dito sa amin. Yan ang tinatawag na equinox time. Sa ngayon kasi yan ang progress ng natin, ipagpatuloy na lang natin siya bukas uli para matapos to yung rafter. Tapos ng rafter maglalagay tayo ng parlance, tapos kukubira natin ng plywood, tapos maglalagay tayo ng kasi yung yung napagdesisyonan nila is yung slate. Slate daw ang ilalagay nila, wag na daw yung metal roofing. Kaya yun ang napagdesisyonan ng may-ari. Kaya yun ang ginawa natin ng matibay na sport. Kasi para sa slate roping. Yun lang. Thank you for watching at sana wag kayong magsawa sa panonood sa akin. At maraming salamat din sa inyong suporta. At hanggang dito lang, kita-kita tayo ulit bukas. At thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below. At kung magawa niyong i-share, paki-share na lang. Okay? Thank you. Bye.